One of the companies that I've worked with, really simple example, but they were essentially an e-commerce company with a lot of bells and whistles around the e-commerce product. And when we started working together, one of the key questions that I wanted to answer for myself and on behalf of the client is, what makes you different in the market? There are loads of other companies that can provide what you're doing, but you're saying you're better. Every company says they're better, right? So that was the key question that needed answering. And when we answered that question, we realized that it wasn't about the product, the e-commerce product, but it was about the years of expertise that they had in the particular vertical that they worked in. It was about the people that they had, the expertise that they had in-house. Probably most importantly was something that was hidden inside the product, which was the ability of that company to utilize data around the usage of the product and feed the data back to the client that they were implementing this for. Now, these were all things that they were not talking about. So when they were trying to differentiate, position themselves, sell their services and products, build lifetime value around the product, these were the three key elements that were missing from the communication, from the sales process, from the integration process, and as well as from the innovation process that they would inevitably have to undergo over the next few years. For me, this was a key element of the consulting with this company, and it applies, surprisingly, it applies across the board. Everybody is always product focused, solution focused, but a lot of times we stop thinking, what's in it for the client 3 years later, 5 years later? What makes us different? What are the key competitive differentiators that we bring to the market that we are not talking about?